If you want to insert your SIM card into Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, and then in here we should be able to find our SIM tray. There's also this SIM tray hole which we need to use. To be precise, we need to use the eject tool and put it into this SIM tray hole. So we're gonna do this. There we go. And then once you have your eject tool inside that hole, you want to apply a little bit of pressure and push it into the phone to make it slightly pop out. Once it pops out, you want to use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now we can insert our SIM card or SIM cards. We just need to match the shape, of course, so make sure to do that. There we go. And of course, we can do this on the other side as well. And I recommend holding the SIM with your fingers so that you don't drop them, because these SIM card slots are actually really loose and it's really easy to drop these SIM cards. And now we can put it back into the phone. There we go. And we're gonna push it all the way in and make sure that the SIM tray is fully inserted. It should not stick out at all. If it does, you want to remove the SIM tray back again and fix your SIM cards. Make sure that they are properly inserted. They should not stick out as well. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.